In this section, what we'll be looking at is domain name and web hosting. Now, quite simply, a domain name is the address of your website. It is the name that people type into the URL bar of their browser to find your website. And then domain names can be purchased through a domain registrar or through your hosting provider. So what do we mean? Your domain name is your www.bloomberg.com or www.bbcamerica.com. That is the name of your website. It could even be the name of your company, www.okfoods.com, or whatever the name of your company is. So that URL is what we actually refer to as domain names. And then we have people that we refer to as domain registrars that will actually take care of registering this domain for you. So you can either register the domain through us, or you contact your hosting provider to do the domain registration for you. Now, after registering your domain, the next thing you need is what we refer to as web hosting. Now, web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed on the internet. So when you register your domain name, you are the only one that is aware of your domain name. Now, if your web content is going to be visible all over the internet so that you can just give people your domain name and they can access your web content, then you need what we refer to as a web host. A web host is just like having a space on your computer. You have your hard disk, you have a space where you keep your files. So the same way, a web host is just a server where your web contents are stored, and then this is actually what makes it possible for viewers all over the world to be able to access your website. So you will need to have a domain name, and you also need to have a hosting package. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, you can get your domain name and hosting from us. If you don't have access to a domain name and hosting and you have bought this video from us, we have made an alternative for you, so you can just contact us and we'll let you know how you can do that pending when you can buy your domain name and hosting.